Tired of the daily grind? Working hard but not seeing the results in your bank account? It's time for a change. Picture this. You did all the right things. Went to college, got a job, but you're still struggling to make ends meet. Bills are stacking up. Dreams seem out of reach. And the idea of financial freedom feels like a distant fantasy. Well, it's time to turn the tables. In this video, we're unlocking the secrets to transform your finances in 2024. Discover the top 10 transformative money moves that guarantee financial success, from essential money management tips for beginners to expert strategies. Ready to level up? Let's dive into a journey of financial empowerment. In this video, we delve into cultivating a mindful spending mindset, embracing the future of banking with technology, leveraging the power of compound interest, and many others. So stick around until the end, because we're here to debunk common myths and offer invaluable advice on money management, with each point carrying the potential to significantly impact your wealth. So join us as we gain financial wisdom together and discover the best money moves, not just for 2024, but for the upcoming years. 1. Harness the power of automated investing. Let your money grow while you sleep with automated investing. It's like having a helpful money friend that does all the tricky work for you. For example, think of putting your money into a plan that automatically adjusts itself over time, helping your savings grow without needing your constant attention. Enter robo-advisors, digital wizards knowing their money stuff. They use clever algorithms to handle a mix of investments based on what you want and how much risk you're cool with. It's like having your personal money manager minus the fancy suit. Other real examples that can help you with automated investing are Betterment, Fidelity Investments, and Charles Schwab. These algorithms act like your money's personal trainers, tweaking investments for the best bang for your buck. Imagine saving for a cool house or planning for retirement. Automated investing tailors your money plan to fit these goals perfectly. How do you feel about the concept of automated investing tailoring your money plan to fit specific goals, like saving for a house or planning for retirement? We want to hear your quick take on this part before we move on to learn how convenient it is to use modern technology to make your banking experience safer and faster. 2. Embrace the future of banking with technology. Picture this. You're at the grocery store, and with just a simple swipe on your phone, you effortlessly complete a secure and speedy contactless payment. Imagine it's 2024 and tech is shaking up how we bank, making it safer and smarter, not just easier. Tech in banking means using super smart gadgets to handle your money, like trading your old bike for a turbocharged rocket. Your phone gets fancier, letting you check balances, pay bills, and spend money in a snap, real-time style. In 2024, upgrades make banking a speedy, safer, and more fun tech wonderland, protecting your money from online threats. Examples of excellent banking apps that can help you with keeping control of your money literally with your hands are Capital One, Ally, and Chase. What's your take on the futuristic banking tech we explored? Share your thoughts on how these innovations might impact your financial journey in the comments below, before we spill the beans on making cash moves that match your values, sets you up for a chill and successful future. If you like what you've learned from us up to now, why not give us a thumbs up? Click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on notifications. That way, you'll always be in the loop about our newest money advice and cool tricks. 3. Cultivate a mindful spending mindset. Navigating mindful spending is like steering your money ship wisely through a sea of choices, making smart moves in a world full of temptations. Ever wondered why bother? Let's spill some facts on why it's a super smart move for your wallet. Imagine this. You're at the mall and something flashy catches your eye. Tempting, right? Mindful spending is like wearing financial superhero glasses. Instead of splurging on every cool thing, you ask, does this fit into my big money plan? It's about choices that high-five your long-term money goals. Mindful spending is your money compass. You're not randomly swiping your card. Each purchase gets you closer to your money dreams. Take eating out. Cooking at home isn't just about saving money. It's a victory dance for your wallet and health. Join the Mindful Spenders Club. Start with simple moves. Make a budget, track your spending, and decide what's a must-have. Listen to those dropping the best financial advice and snag some money-saving tips. What did you think about embracing mindful spending? Share your experience as we gear up for the next money move, embracing the gig economy for extra cash. Stick around as we unpack how hustling in the gig world levels up your money game. 4. Embrace the gig economy for additional income streams. One of the smartest things you can do with your money is to get into the gig economy. It's like having side hustles to earn extra cash. You can do things like freelance writing, graphic design, or virtual assisting on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. These gigs help you learn how to manage money better, especially if you're new to it. Let's say you're a beginner script writer. You can take on writing projects and make some extra bucks while building your skills. For example, you might write scripts for videos or ads. This gig work gives you flexibility and teaches you new things along the way. So embracing the gig economy is one of the best money moves you can make this year. What's your take on diving into the gig economy for extra income? Share your thoughts about this money move before we learn to understand how important it is to know how money works in the next one. 5. Prioritize financial education and literacy. Here's another cool money move for you. Make learning about money a big deal. Think of it like getting the lowdown on how to handle your cash the smart way. This isn't just for finance gurus, it's solid advice, especially if you're just starting out. Who doesn't want to nail money management, right? That's where financial education and literacy jump in. Picture it as a toolkit that sets you up for making savvy money moves. For instance, wrap your head around budgeting. Knowing where your money goes each month is like having superhero skills. And let's talk about saving and investing. That's your money doing a little dance for you. Getting the lowdown on credit scores is like cracking a secret code that can shake up your financial game. So in 2024, a killer money move is giving learning about money the top spot. Still don't know how you could learn to be financially smart? World of Money, InvestMate, and Zogo would be the best apps to guide you through achieving financial literacy. How has prioritizing financial education and literacy impacted your approach to handling money? Share your thoughts as we get ready to rock the art of tax planning. It's not as tricky as it sounds, and it's a game changer for keeping more moolah in your pocket. 6. Master the art of tax planning. Cracking the tax game is a key move for financial success in 2024. You know the deal. Nothing is certain except death and taxes. But don't worry, understanding tax planning can make a real difference. Think of it like finding secret tricks to keep more of your cash. Start with the basics: tax deductions and credits. They're like discounts on your taxes. Imagine having more money in your pocket just by playing it smart. If you're new to the money world, explore ways to slash your tax bill. It's like finding hidden treasures that others might miss. Throw in some money management tricks, like keeping tabs on what you can deduct, and bam, you're on your way to tax victory. And guess what? This isn't just any money-saving advice. It's like the superhero of financial moves. Share your insights on mastering tax planning. How has understanding tax deductions and credits impacted your financial game? Comment below and brace yourself for the next power move, shaking up your investments like a boss. We'll dive into that in a bit, so stick around. Your wallet will thank you later. 7. Diversify your investment portfolio strategically. Navigating the money scene in 2024 is all about making smart moves. Picture your investment crew. You wouldn't want everyone doing the same thing, right? That's where smart diversification comes in. It's like having a mix of players with different skills to make sure your crew, or portfolio, is ready for any game. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different things, like stocks, bonds, and maybe a bit in real estate. So if one part takes a hit, the others can still keep your money game strong. What's your take on strategic investment diversification? Share your thoughts before we get ready for the next cool money move, leveraging the power of compound interest. Ever wondered how your money can make more money by itself? We've got the lowdown. Hey, are you still with us? If you're looking to boost your investment skills, why not consider subscribing to our channel? We're committed to making your financial journey a top priority, and we're here to help you navigate every step of the way. 8. Leveraging the power of compound interest. Unlocking the power of compound interest is one of the smartest money moves you can make. It's like planting a seed that grows into a money tree. Imagine that you put $100 in the bank. With compound interest, not only does that 100 earn interest, but the interest also earns interest over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world because it's so amazing. So if you start early and let your money sit and grow, you'll end up with a lot more than you started with. It's like free money multiplying in your account. How has experiencing the power of compound interest shaped your views on growing your wealth? Share your thoughts on this money move, as we'll talk about how to be super precise in navigating real estate opportunities next. 9. Navigate real estate opportunities with precision. Another top money move is getting good at real estate stuff, like a money pro. Imagine you're an explorer in the financial world, finding the best spots. This move is all about knowing when to grab a property deal, sell it, and not getting lost in the risks. For newbies, getting advice on money stuff for real estate is gold. Learn tips like spreading your investments and keeping an eye on what's hot in the market. Grabbing rental spots in booming cities or fixing up cheaper places can be smart moves that pay off. What's your strategy for navigating real estate opportunities? Share your insights as we peek at the next and last big move. Think like a business brain for money freedom. Keep an eye out for the next part, where we'll dive into this entrepreneurial mindset for serious money independence. 10. Foster an entrepreneurial mindset for financial independence. Another way to be smart about your money is try thinking like an entrepreneur. It's not about starting the next big thing, but having a mindset that's all about finding new ways to make and save money. Forget the fancy words. The best advice is to look beyond your usual job for extra cash. Maybe you can do a side gig, some freelancing, or kickstart a small business. That's the kind of money move that sets you up for financial freedom. When it comes to money, don't just sit there. Be creative. Cut costs, find new ways to make money, and watch your bank account grow. This isn't some tricky advice. It's just smart money moves for regular folks. So in 2024, be your own money boss and see where your smarts can take you. As we finish talking about the best money moves, we want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your ideas are super important to us, and we really appreciate your thoughts on getting that money success. In summary, the top 10 money moves for 2024 are like your guide to financial strength. Each plan can change your financial future, and together we'll understand the challenges of today's money world. Thanks for being part of this journey to learn. See you next time, and keep making smart money choices.